Oh, voice is such a magnificent. Wagwan, what I deal with. So, people, today we'll be reacting to Serving by Miriana Conte. I've heard that her video was revamped or re-edited. I'm not sure if that's the case, but if that's the case, then eventually we all know that once it's necessary for the competition, then some changes has to be made in order for it to become a better view for the viewers. Right. So I do love her music. I do love her style. I do love the way how she, be herself in her videos. And that is the thing with all the people these days, right? They are really scared to be themselves. And once people can accept you for who you are, then eventually the world will be a better place. Never try to be someone else who you are not. Right? It's gonna be demising. Alright? So with this being said, let's all see what's up. Let's see the changes that was made in her video.
Serving something else? Serving
Malta's entry.
Rumor has it she
Well, if this is based on true events and rumors are spreading, that simply means that all of this that she's gonna do is all true story. Okay.
is on a. By the looks of it, she needs to double her dose.
8. She sure did.
serving
Well, serving what? Can't? I think the last time I've reacted to her music, the song called Serving Can't. Alright, so I know the song is now called Serving. So she removed the can't from the serving title. Okay. Seems good so far.
maybe, I don't know. It looks like trash.
I can't believe the diva was down for a couple of minutes.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
She was down for a minute. She's an icon. She's a legend. Now come on. And they can't believe the diva was down for a minute. What went wrong with her? Was she in an accident or something like that? Seems interesting though. I love it.
I heard she got wasted at the after party and that's why she crashed her car.
People raging over it.
Malta's entry.
You do you, Malta. Miriana.
Oh, so she was at a party and she got drunk, and she went into her vehicle to depart from that party. Then she crashed, and here she now with a oxygen mask over her face. So I want to see what next, because this is gonna be a lit video. I can tell, bro. I can tell.
Conte?
Wow, this take a tremendous turn. This took a tremendous turn. Wasn't she the one that they mentioned crashed because she got wasted coming from a party? Or just a scenery showing what went down in the party before she crashed? Alright, I love it so far. Let's. Oh wow! No! 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 I am not expecting to see this kind of video. Oh wow! Fair enough. She's saying that, right? Why should we make people decide when we should be having the time of our lives? Bro, that's true, bro. I mean, like, people will always criticize, people will always bash, people will always have something to say. It doesn't matter if it's good, it doesn't matter if it's bad, bro. People will always have something to say. So you can't please people, so just live a life the way oh you wanted it to live. Bro, come on, bro, get real, dog. Like, so she removed the serving cunt part from the video. So she was warned not to use that word. That word is dope. It's the first time I'm hearing of that word, but she's still serving cunt, bro. Bro, she's too gorgeous for this. She a vibe. She a vibe. I will mess with her. Got him. I will mess with her, bro. I will mess with her. She's just giving that sweet, sensational energy. Yes. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving what I'm seeing. No she met in the accident while coming from a party, being wasted. She's now imprisoned. If I'm getting this correctly, she's now imprisoned, right? Taking her mug shots. And then she's back in the party. Bro, that's badass, bro. That's badass. That's we should engulf ourselves with, right? Only lovers, no enemy, no bad energy. Because, we have people who are literally, surrounding themselves with a lot of stupid people who are not really putting anything or making any form of contribution towards your success. So only good people are out, bro. She's right, bro. She's definitely right. Believe, bro. I love her style so much, bro. Even this costume, bro, with the cola can, you know, with the table, with the candles on it, the spaghetti, the book, everything, bro. I love her style, bro. It's just for parties, man. Like, just the party life. Serving can't. Like, come on. Whoa. Party? in a cemetery, bro, with that costume, with those costume on. Damn, bro. Damn, that's creative. That's creative. That's very courageous as well because I would keep a party in a cemetery. That's literally courage. They are courageous, man. Maria. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. That was really good, Marina. Very good. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.